Got a video that's too long for one story? No worries. Here's how to post longer videos on your Instagram story step by step without cutting the good parts. First, you'll need to update your Instagram app. So launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now go ahead and click on the option Your Story. With that, your gallery will open up, or you can also shoot the video. So I'm gonna select the video from my gallery. I'm gonna select the video more than 15 seconds. At the moment, Instagram allows you to upload the story up to 60 seconds. So you can select the video and see the time. It's about 1 minute. Now you can click on done and make changes to your video, add text, add filters, music, and upload it. Now your followers can watch your longer videos without missing a second. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily upload longer videos on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.